guys, it's Emily here. So I have an unboxing video for you guys. So I'm pretty sure this is my Oogie Boogie that I ordered from eBay. This is from the Disney parks and it's so adorable. I did order another one as well. I'll link down the video to that video so you can watch, because I actually thought I was getting that in that video, but I didn't. So let's open it up. Yep, it's my Oogie Boogie. This one's really cute and a lot bigger. So here's my Oogie Boogie. Ooh. And it had, I don't know what that is. This is my Oogie Boogie. It's really cute and it has like a little spider hanging out from him. And he's really cute. He's about like 10 inches and he has some like bead in him. But I really like this one. It's a lot bigger than the one I got, the other one I got from eBay. This is kind of like just a cute little one. And I really like this one. It's really like cute. And I really like the spider attach. He does have some stains on him. I don't know if you guys can see it, some orange stains. But like I got it used, so it's okay. But I really do like this, and it has the Disney tag on it. It looks like it was like washed or something, because it has like marker on it, but like stains or whatever. But it looks really cute. I really like it, and it's gonna look great in my collection, because they had other ones selling, but they cost like a lot more money, and this was like really cheap. This was only like $7. So it was like really good deal, so I really had to get it. I thought it would be really cute. I'm gonna show you guys my other plushes I got in my other video and show you guys those as well. The Oogie Boogie that I got, because I actually thought I was gonna open both of these, but I ended up getting my Sally that I ordered as well. But this is my other Oogie Boogie that I got. He looks more religious. Can't say that word right, but he looks more like the movie, you know what I mean? And I thought this was gonna be kind of big, but this is actually bigger than this one. But I like this one as well. It's really cool. And then I got this Sally as well. She's from the Disney parks, and I think these two like looks good together. Like they have that like kid factor. I do have a Jack and Zero that I'm having coming on the way. It's coming from the UK, so I'm very excited for that. But yeah, so I think these will look really cute together, like as a little set with my Zero and Jack. And then this one I ordered to go along with my other like characters, but my Jack and Sally and Zero are like a lot bigger than this. But I think it's just really cute. So these are stuff that I got from eBay that I ordered, and I really like them, and I think they're like really cute. I'm trying to show you guys them all, but yeah, they're really cute, and I really like them. So yeah, so that's what I got. So thank you guys so much for watching. It was just a little short video. I'm sorry I'm not wearing my Night for Christmas merch. I wasn't actually expecting to get this, because I actually didn't know when it was coming. But yeah, so I got it, and I wanted to film a video of me opening it in front of you guys. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Please check out my other Night for Christmas videos that are already uploaded or will be uploaded soon, because I have a lot going coming, because so many Night for Christmas merch been coming out, and this stuff I just ordered from eBay. So I have a Disney unboxing that I did, and we'll be doing other ones, so I'm very excited. So yeah, like I said, thank you guys so much for watching.